Alright guys, I just got my package. The postman just brought this package. My old TV just got broken and that is here. Okay, the kids just smashed the screen and I've been having this for a while. But yeah, I just decided to order for this because of the boredom. Okay, it's been extremely boring during the quarantine, so I had to order for a TV. And this is the TV that I ordered for. The old one was the Samsung, which was much better, but this is a smart TV, so I hope it's gonna be better than the first one. So do you know what I'm gonna do right now? Because I got the package just wearing glass, but what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna spray some hydrogen peroxide mixed with water, and I'm gonna do a tutorial on how I mix this. But right now I'm gonna show you how I spray my package, and yeah, let's just do that. Okay, all right guys, give it a nice spray. Just want to get rid of all the coronavirus on it. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, literally I can't wait to check it out. I can't wait to see how it works. And because these drops of spray are quite spaced, you know, so I was thinking of getting a tissue and just wiping them onto each other so I can be sure that it's everywhere. Okay guys, that's my tissue and I'm going to wet it a bit with this same spray, and this same tissue is going to go around wiping. Oh god, it just stuck on. I don't know, maybe I should use wipes. Oh wow, it's doing a great job, because this way I'm sure I've tackled every area. I can see that there's drops, but I don't know if there's spaces in between. Guys, because this box is a cardboard, everything I sprayed just sucked in, because 3% itself could cause an explosion, so you don't want to go there. So I would rather use alcohol, which is 70%. It's not mixed, it's exactly 70%, and that's okay. So I'm going to use that for the actual TV. I'm going to sanitize that and then we'll take it to the next step. Okay guys, time has gone by and I've decided to come in with this and just open up the box. Alright, so I'm literally, oh, this blood is kind of weak. It's kind of weak. I feel like it can break. Oopsie, it is weak. Yeah, I'm just tearing the, oopsie, that's my name and address. Ah. So I just tear that. Oh no, I think I'm gonna have to take this. So let's work with my receipt. So I'm gonna put that there. At the moment, due to Corona season, I don't really keep these receipts, you know. I keep them in a bag, but I don't really touch them, especially if it's something that it's quite expensive, just in case I need to return it. I do keep, but I just dump them into some bag and keep them away in a different room. Yeah, so I don't want to get contaminated. Okay, so are you happy? Yeah. That is nice. I love it when you're happy. Okay, everything that comes from here, that is, I don't know, I think this is the stand. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Alright, that is, yeah, this is still the stand. I'm not so keen on the stand because I already have one. And that is the cable. I'm going to keep this packaging because when you're moving, sometimes people really damage your stuff, especially the TVs and stuff like that, delicate stuff. They damage them. So for the first time in my life, I'm planning on keeping this white things. Okay. Oh, here's the TV. So now the only way I can do this is by not recording. Alright guys, there it is. I've opened it halfway so far and doesn't look bad. Okay. Alright guys, what I have here is alcohol, but it's 70%. Alright, it's rubbing alcohol, first aid, antiseptic. and it being 70% is an advantage. I don't have to mix it, and the fact that it's not going on my hands, I don't need aloe vera to like smooth it down with something that stops the hand drying. So I'm going to use it directly onto the TV, and then yeah, because it can kill the coronavirus. Okay, we only use 99 because we're gonna mix it with the aloe vera so that it can become 70 after that, because it's been mixed up and diluted. But right now I'm not gonna dilute it, so 70 will be fine for now. Okay, I'm just trying to get it into this tissue and make it feel like as though it was white. Actually, this tissue, it's got a very rough material. It's not gonna break down because of the liquid on it. Okay, so we're making an alcohol wipe, let's call it. I'm going to open it up and then start to use this to clean our TV. Right, I'm going to wipe it down. Sometimes I get scared when I use things like this, but it's not like I'm new to the alcohol. I'm a little disappointed because of the fact that this TV is a bit small. They said it's a 49-inch. I was trying to get a 50-inch, but it's quite smaller than the first one. But given that it's a smart TV, it might be thinner, but I thought it would be the same size sideways, but it looks a bit smaller, and I'm okay with that. Okay, but I'm a bit disappointed, not that happy. Okay, you know when you do a purchase and you're like not really happy. Yes, that is the answer. I'm not happy, not very happy, but I got the TV. It's all right, so we're fine. It's so important that I sanitize this as well with a 70% alcohol, which is above 60, so we're good. And trusting me, the alcohol is okay. Okay, when you mix the 70% with anything else, that makes it less of 70%, but when it's not diluted, it is 70%, which is about 60. So yeah, okay. This unfortunately, I don't know if I'm going to sanitize this. I'm going to put it away and keep it in a different room, and then I'm going to sanitize my remote because I need it right now. Okay, yeah, this is the bag for the remote. Right, cleaning that up. I've been cleaning it up before I started recording, but I just wanted to show this. And I'm going to take out the remote. I really want to keep that bag because I'm going to put the nails. Okay, so because it came with a few yeah, this tissue is quite nice, by the way. It's not breaking down like I would think it should do. And yeah, so I don't think anyone touched this in a long time, but I will clean it because I also had, there was someone with Amazon let someone work with coronavirus, so yeah, I'm gonna clean it up just to make sure it's clean, just in case that person is the one who is handling this. We want to be safe and secure. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it there, and then I've got little nails that came along. I don't know what they're supposed to fix, but as far as I'm concerned right now, I'm gonna have to fix some things. But I still realize that I need to order for okay, I'm gonna do that off camera. Yeah, so I think this is the cover for the remote. Right, I think so. Yeah, cable management or something. Yeah, I'll find out. Alright, these are the nails that came along with it, and I'm giving them a little wipe as well. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this the other side and wipe my gloves too. I just ordered for a dryer, and I thought, let me just wipe this now because I've been keeping it away for a while. And yeah, I'm gonna use it and see how it goes. It's a nice dryer too, and yeah, so I really sucked a lot of alcohol in this, in that it's still shining. I think you can see the alcohol is still on, so it stays on for some time. 30 seconds we talked about. Yeah, it does stay on for 30 seconds, so I don't put just a little bit. After wiping this, it stays on for a bit, 30 seconds, and it does what it's supposed to do. Here we are. I'm just squeezing it in. Yeah, so when I squeeze, the alcohol goes into these things. Yeah, so I know it's a masking alcohol. And yeah, so by the time I use it, I'll be so confident. Yeah, done. I've cleaned it.